Okay, so we're going to start off with our warm-up sequence just to get nice and grounded into the floor. So finding your parallel directly underneath your hips. Already thinking of your posture, slightly lifting your belly button. So you're going to take a nice big stretch with the arms, bringing the palms into prayer. You're going to take an upper back curve with a demi-plie. So it's just the top of your head folding over. Make sure your pelvis is directly underneath you. You're not sticking it out. We're just going straight and it's top of the head curving over there. You're then going to reverse that, breathing in, and then again top of the head falling forward. So you're going to roll down through the spine, stretching out the hamstrings, and then plie to roll up through the spine. You're then just going to pull through the fingertips, really opening out that hip, making sure your shoulders are nice and long. Really reach all the way round, making a big circle with the fingertips. You're going to circle forwards into a flat back. We're then plieing to roll through the back and just ripple through the spine. Ready to start on the left side. So we're going up to prayer. Reverse, up, top of the head, rolling down, fingertips reach the floor to plie to roll up. Then we're going to go the other way. So you're stretching through your sides, stretching all the way around, big circle, circle, keep your legs straight there. Think of the top of the head, really reaching forwards, backs of the legs engaged. Then plie to then open out the chest, ripple through the spine, rolling up. Then we can do the same in first position. So everything will be the same in turned out, and then dégagé to a nice wide second, everything the same in second position. So we start to find those turn out muscles. So for example, we still do exactly the same with the body, but we're now finding some turn out in the legs. Rolling down, plie, soften those hips to roll up. Nice big stretch, full body warm up, all the way around, long back, plie to roll up, then we're rippling through to come up, then you'd go the other way. Yeah, so twice in parallel, twice in first, dégagé to second, twice in second, really stretching everything out, ready for class. Okay, 6, 7, and reaching 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathing in, top of the head, down for 4. Plie to roll up, pulling through the side, reaching 1, 2, 3, 4. Round, long spine, up. Open up the chest, rolling up, second side, 1. Breathe in, breathe up. Rolling down, 1. Plie, find your center.